How to reverse audio in CapCut PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily reverse the audio on your CapCut using PC. So if you're also using PC, so just open up your CapCut and simply drag and drop your audio file which you want to reverse. So as you can see, for the audio there is no direct option available for the reversing, but when I drag and upload this video, you can see there is an option to actually reverse it just directly from over here. So what I'll be doing instead is I'll just highlight the both text and my video and just right click on it and simply select this option that is create a compound clip, so it will merge my audio to the video, and now I can perform the reverse action. So what I'll be doing is just highlighting the video which I just merged the audio and simply clicking on this reverse clip option over here. So I just have to wait for a few seconds. So after the process is complete, I'll simply tap on the video and just right click on it, and I shall see the option that is export audio. So you may need a premium version, so just click on it, and once you're inside here, just remove the video part, and just like that you will only have the reversed audio section, and you can simply export and download the audio from over here. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.